So welcome to the Up Close and Social After Party with Tanya Khanejo, who has given a lot of YouTube gyan, a lot of her secrets to growing in the part before this. पर ये आफ्टर पार्टी में एकदम चिल रहता है, मेरा टोन भी यहाँ पे चिल हो जाएगा.
Okay.
And I'm sure you're comfortable by now, एकदम sorted.
Oh yes.
And we're हाँ, तो if you want to know about the YouTube growth part, you can watch that part. But यहाँ पे it's like two friends talking, so आप तीसरे दोस्त बन के बैठ जाओ हमारे साथ and let's start this journey about you.
Okay, cool.
ठीक है? Yeah, तो अभी सब कुछ हो गया, but अभी I wanna ask you सबसे पहले this very cliched question. But अभी ना usually this question goes like when you are not XYZ YouTuber, who are you? But here Tanya Khanejo is the YouTuber also and Tanya is also the person. So when you're not a YouTuber, when you're not a content creator, who are you as a person?
Okay, so I would say I am definitely a creative person, but I also like to enjoy things in life, in the sense that I dedicate every day to personal growth, to feeling nice about life, drinking my cup of chai outside. Oh, I'm a big chai lover, by the way. Uske siwaye, I obviously enjoy traveling, which is why a lot of my content revolves around it, but that's not the only thing I do. I also try to live a marginally healthy lifestyle, eat right, work out, and I've always been that way ever since I was a teenager. In fact, I quit eating sugar, fun fact, when I was a teenager entirely. मतलब मैं मिठाई वगैरह कुछ नहीं खाती, just because I want to stay fit and healthy. And I feel like sugar is kind of borderline bad for your health. Borderline, yeah, it is definitely bad for your health. So those are a few things that I could think of from the top of my mind, on the top of my mind. और कुछ पूछना है तो please feel free.
नहीं ऐसे मतलब भी philosophical था, जो आया वहीं से निकलेगा. But अभी ना this is a question जहाँ पे amazing चीज़ें निकलती हैं. But when did you first start realizing that you're famous? And I'm going to use the word famous क्योंकि there is no other word कि सब लोग modest हो जाते हैं, नहीं famous तो नहीं. But हाँ.
Yeah.
हाँ. तो when did you start realizing कि नहीं यार okay famous तो थोड़ी हो रही हूँ? कुछ incident in your life that made you think about that?
Uncle, I'm just so humbled that I'm on this show and that you invited me and that you think I'm famous. Thank you so much. I feel so happy and honored. But I sincerely don't feel I'm famous.
Fun fact. Okay, I was going to wait for this till later. But I knew about you or rather met you the first time or heard about you the first time when वही creator camp हुआ था गुड़गांव में वेस्टर्न में.
Yeah.
And वहाँ पे I'm like okay, I have not heard of this person so far. But लोग तो आ रहे हैं, लोग मिल भी रहे हैं, लोग pictures भी खिंचा रहे हैं. So if that is not called famous, in whatever sense, then I really don't know what is. क्योंकि वहाँ पे बाहर I'm standing and like okay, everyone's coming to this person also and she talked. कौन है ये? And I'm asking, उस time Sukriti was talking to you.
Yeah.
I asked it, okay, I don't mean to be rude. Who is she? Tanya, she makes all this content. That was the first time. Few weeks later, I'm talking to Monish Sultani, and he's telling me about you. Like, okay, second time. So people know you. So I will consider that famous.
Okay.
तो कभी ऐसे encounter हुआ है, like public में meeting your
I think सबसे ज़्यादा
fans?
सबसे ज़्यादा I will have to confess, airports पे होते हैं. मैं जब भी किसी भी एयरपोर्ट पे होती हूँ मुझे कोई ना कोई मिल जाता है. एंड आई थिंक बिकॉज दिल्ली इज ऑल्सो सच अ बिग सिटी, मैं अगर कहीं बाहर होती हूँ, जैसे अगर मैं किसी पब्लिक प्लेस में होती हूँ तो कोई ना कोई तो मिल ही जाता है. सो आई थिंक दैट इज व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड रियलाइजिंग कि ठीक है देयर आर पीपल हु नो मी, बट अभी भी वो नौबत तो नहीं आई है कि घर से बाहर निकल के चप्पल में ग्रोसरी नहीं ली जा सकती. सो अच्छी बात है. But I think
but I think that's a part of being a creator. Like you want to grow, but that's something that comes with it.
हाँ, वो तो है कि obviously you want to grow, you want people to watch your videos, but हो जाता है. People start meeting you. It's honestly a very great experience when people meet you because in the back of your mind you're still that person जो चप्पल पहन के grocery लेने जा रहा है. But when people meet you, they give you so much love and respect that it feels really nice. मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि मेरा YouTube पे होना आज successful हो गया है because there are people, there's an audience, there are people who actually see or hear me in a particular video and then they know me. So that's a very good feeling. And that makes you realize that every number that you run after, no, that's an actual person.
Absolutely. See, I've had my own fair share. मैं मेरा channel is nowhere near. मेरा एक channel is around 2,30,000 चाहे जितने मर्जी व्यूज हैं, अभी दिस चैनल एज ऑफ इन वे टॉकिंग इज अबाउट 24-25,000.
Fun fact, I did
But
not even see that.
क्या?
Fun fact, I did not even see that.
See what?
That how many subscribers you have.
Shit. ठीक है, तो नाउ अ फनी स्टोरी कि माई फैमिली, मतलब पूरा ऐसे फैमिली को तो पूरा प्यार होता है, बोलते हैं देखो अभी घूम लो हमारे साथ मॉल वॉल में,
हाँ.
कल को ऐसे लोग मिलना शुरू हो जाएंगे. दिस इज व्हेन इट स्टार्टेड. दिस इज लाइक ऑलमोस्ट a year and a half, 2 years back.
Yeah.
Because उस टाइम पे छोटी मोटी 5,000 ऑडियंस थी.
हाँ.
फैन फेस्ट जब उसी टाइम पे 2019 जब वो पूरा हुआ था,
Yeah.
फैन फेस्ट का क्रिएटिव स्टूडियो के बाद, आई जस्ट वेंट विद माई फ्रेंड्स टू अटेंड वो एम्बियंस मॉल में जो चल रहा था. मैंने ठीक है अभी इतने लोग नहीं जानते मेरे को, ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंस है बट नहीं जानते. मैं नॉर्मल गया हूँ एज कैजुअल एज आई कैन बी. वन पर्सन मीट्स मी, सेकेंड पर्सन मीट्स मी. आई थिंक दैट्स द डे आई रियलाइज मैं जितना झल्लो के जैसा आ गया था ना. पीपल डोंट नो दिस बट आई एक्चुअली वेंट एंड बॉट क्लोथ्स बिकॉज मैं इतना झल्लो के जैसा आ गया था. ऐसे देखो लोग सेल्फीज ले रहे हैं,
तो you should be.
अब थोड़ी
Yeah,
हाँ, अब थोड़ी सी इमेज मेंटेन
थोड़ी सी
करनी
करना
पड़ेगी.
पड़ेगा.
तो मैं वही लोगों, मैं घर पे कोई बोलता नीचे जाके ले आओ, मैं नहीं जा रहा. कितनी चप्पल में जाके ले आओ, मैं नहीं, कोई मिल जाएगा. तो अब इस पॉइंट पे नहीं आया बट एटलीस्ट आई कैन फ्लेक्स कि मतलब देखो
ठीक है.
लोग हैं.
हाँ.
बट आई थिंक इट्स नाइस नोइंग दीज पीपल ऑन अ one-on-one level जितना you can meet them.
Yeah.
But talking about people, public, all of this, was it ever awkward being a travel filmmaker? Not only just your city, but you're traveling the world. Was it ever awkward to film yourself in public?
Fortunately, never. मैं बहुत जल्दी सीख गई how to adapt. And I think
But like,
I just don't think I'm generally that kind of person who's afraid of a lot of things. And again, मैं flex करने के लिए नहीं बोल रही हूँ. मतलब if you ask me what are you afraid of, मैं शायद 2 मिनट के लिए सोचूंगी. Of course there will be things, but ऐसे on the top of my mind नहीं आएंगी क्योंकि मुझे इतना ऐसे चीज़ों से इतना मैं सोचती नहीं हूँ. I don't overthink a lot of things. तो मुझे fortunately इस चीज़ में ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं लगी. But हाँ, first few vlogs were a little challenging. और मैं सोच रही थी कि ओहो अब मैं कहाँ हूँ, अब मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. बट उसके बाद it became a habit and फिर मेरे को ऐसे लगने लगा कि छोड़ना, कौन देख रहा है. जो लोगों के सामने मैं फिल्म कर रही हूँ कल को उन्हें पता भी नहीं होगा कि मैं कौन हूँ. इन द सेंस कि they'll forget about it the minute I leave this place. So why think so much about it? It's okay. Just be yourself so that you can be comfortable with the camera and eventually your audience.
that's true. अच्छा, what is the one thing that you look back at and you think, okay यार I've done this. जैसे सुबह उठ के एक वो thought नहीं आता कि एक टाइम पे एक गोल था but I've actually done that. So what has that been for you?
So I think I still cannot. मुझे अभी भी बहुत मेहनत लगती है ये वाला इमोशन कभी कभार स्क्रीन पे डिलीवर करने में. बट some of the things that I've done have been so phenomenal. When I look back at the footage, मुझे तब realize होता है कि oh shit मैंने ये भी किया है. So like for example the Namibia trip that we've already talked about, it was a road trip in an international country and it still blows my mind how I had the courage or confidence to do it in the first place. जबकि मुझे पता था कि Africa is a place I've never been to and most of the stories that you hear around the continent, they're very scary कि oh diseases, Ebola, this that, wars, smuggled stuff, diamonds. तो डर लगता है. तो when I was going to the country for the first time and when I was landing also, I remember that feeling. I was so apprehensive कि oh sheesh क्या होने वाला है अब यहाँ पे. But obviously the landscape and all was pretty good, but I knew that I'm going to be on a road trip. And these people who I'm communicating with at this point of time before entering into the country, I have no idea who these people are. It was a very scary thought, but I went with my gut feeling anyway. Or I did a full road trip for almost 2,000 kilometers in a very, very barren land because Namibia is a very less populated country. And I saw some amazing things and I'm so grateful to be able to experience those things. But मुझे आज तक यकीन नहीं होता कि मैंने हाँ ये किया है. And because of that road trip, I also got the confidence of renting a car in the US, which is something that I always thought was such a difficult thing to do क्योंकि मैं 2012 में अपने parents के साथ गई थी. Because my relatives stay there. I think even before that we went once, but I always went with my parents to the US initially at least. And US was obviously very this country that we've all heard growing up, seen in sitcoms and all. And you know that oh the vehicles over there are very fast and road rules are completely different. Obviously I got used to the idea of visiting it as a country eventually. I mean because I went a couple times in the last year also for some work. बट ड्राइविंग ओवर देयर वॉज वे आउटसाइड ऑफ माई कम्फर्ट जोन. मुझे क्योंकि ऐसा लगता था कि माई मौसी when they are driving on the road, it looks so daunting. But the fact that I actually rented my own car, not even like मतलब not even कि वो relatives की कार है या कुछ और, but I actually rented my own car and did a full road trip without any hassle. एक जगह भी ऐसे नहीं हुआ कि मुझे रोड साइड असिस्टेंस को कॉल करना पड़ा या फिर मुझे किसी के घर पे कॉल करना पड़ा और बोलना पड़ा कि ये बहुत मुश्किल है, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा, या फिर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो गई, टायर पंक्चर हो गया. नथिंग, नो हैसल. इट वाज सच अ हैसल फ्री ट्रिप. आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ फॉर डूइंग दैट. सो लुकिंग बैक एट दीज थिंग्स, या.
अच्छा बोलो.
So,
You're saying something.
yeah, so I was just saying that looking back at these things and obviously a lot of other things also, whenever I look at my old footage, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि this is so mind blowing. I never imagined that I as an individual would be able to accomplish these things.
Many more. I never believe I could do that to come to you. If that made any sense.
Yeah, it did.
But okay, are we talking about something that's very personal to creators, yet has to be balanced in our lives? How would you say you balance the relationships and your YouTube side, like public image versus something you keep personal? How do you think you balance that?
I don't think इसमें कुछ सोचने की बहुत ज़्यादा बात है. Like, yeah, obviously we are at that age where we are dating people. So I am currently obviously in a relationship with somebody. Not obviously, but I am. It's been
obviously सबके नहीं होते लक्ष्मण.
नहीं, sorry, that just came out wrong. मतलब I wasn't for most part of my YouTube journey. मतलब from the start till the past 6 months, I started dating. I got into a relationship with somebody in the last 6 months, and it's still very fairly recent. So obviously it's not something that I want in the public domain, or I would still think probably a lot of times before putting it in the public domain. But I don't think I have any apprehensions about it eventually. मुझे ऐसे बहुत ऐसे बड़ी बात नहीं लगती, because it's okay. In my head I feel like it should be normalized. It's not something that people should be so, oh, dating, oh, relationship. Fun fact, I did make a video about dating on my channel and it did do really well. So that gave me some confidence that yeah, people are probably okay with the idea of dating.
ठीक है. Now coming to a question that I would say our generation, or rather the YouTube generation, whoever on YouTube understands this very well, but anyone beyond that, parents, relatives, do you think it's tough to sometimes explain what exactly do you do?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है because I started a little late, relatively. Late तो क्या ही कहूँ, मतलब आज भी लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं, तो मैं late तो नहीं कहूँगी. But in the sense that YouTube जब इंडिया में आया था initially, which was probably 5 years back, that is when it was more challenging for people to explain that what are they doing. And I feel that people who have gone through that phase have probably learned so much from their experiences. But relatively when I started, I think I still had a lot of examples before me. तो मुझे इतना difficult नहीं लगा लोगों को explain करना, especially because my parents are also on YouTube. They also watch a lot of videos, so even they knew what this is as a career. तो उनको भी explain करना मुझे बहुत difficult नहीं लगा. In fact, they started watching more of YouTube after I became a creator. Not just my videos, but they now know about YouTube much more than me. उन्हें हर creator के बारे में पता है. मतलब मैं इतना देखती भी नहीं हूँ क्योंकि I don't think I have that bandwidth to observe a lot of creators anymore. But मेरे parents देखते हैं.
कभी एग्जाम्पल यूज किया है कि मतलब कोई समझ नहीं रहा तो दिस इज बेसिकली ये जवानी है दीवानी वाली लाइफ? कभी किसी ने एग्जाम्पल दिया है?
नहीं.
आई नो सो मेनी ट्रैवल फिल्म मेकर्स हु जस्ट से नहीं, वी बेसिकली लिविंग दैट लाइफ ओनली, बट आई थिंक दैट इज
I feel like that was a very cool move on Bollywood's part for producing a movie like that with such a unique career, because thanks to that so many parents now understand about that career. Three Idiots also for example, उसमें photographer वाला profession came out as a career option also besides the whole engineering field. So I feel like these movies, because they've been so hatke, have been so revolutionary for us people, and we should be grateful forever that we can have that explanation. But मतलब मैंने कभी किसी को ऐसे ये जवानी है दीवानी का example नहीं दिया है. Some of my friends have used that example on me कि oh you live like Bunny, and I'm like who Bunny? फिर उन्होंने बोला अरे that movie, and I was like oh हाँ yeah similar.
अच्छा, another question.
हाँ.
DMs में या comments में how many times do guys try to
Ask me out every
be
day.
sweet? Yeah.
Ask me
Every
out,
day?
ask me for marriage. मतलब कैसे कैसे कमेंट्स आते हैं यार, मैं थक जाती हूँ कई बार देख के. They're so funny to me कि okay, I do get it where maybe I don't, but maybe I try imagining where they're coming from, that you're watching a creator online and you think कि oh बहुत cool है, चलो बोल देते हैं. So maybe I do get it, but some people write comments like I will marry you. Like not I want to marry you, I will marry you. Like a declaration कि I will marry you. And I'm like who
अगले
are you
Thursday
thinking that you
12
will?
बजे.
कि मतलब क्या? So I get these comments quite a bit. So yeah, it's kind of weird, but I guess I get it.
Up towards ending this, coming to a little personal, your life, or rather the creator life.
Yeah.
Do you think being famous, being the word here, being known, being watched online, do you think sometimes it's a little scary कि कहीं पे भी जा रहे हो एक डाउट रहता है कि people might recognize you, घर पता चल जाएगा,
हाँ.
number leaks, address leaks, all of that, like the privacy कि you're in the public domain now, you have to protect this privacy because now it's not only yours, it's probably also your family.
Yeah, हाँ, of course, that is always a concern. अभी तक ऐसा कोई incident नहीं हुआ that I can quote, but I have been very conscious about the fact that I never reveal कि मैं किस street पे हूँ, कहाँ रहती हूँ. I don't film around my house, or if I do, कोई address reference नहीं होता वहाँ पे. तो I do keep these things in mind because I do want to protect my privacy. And also apps like Caller, क्या होता है वो, कौन सा वो app होता है जिसमें Truecaller. I have never downloaded Truecaller on my phone for a reason because I don't want my number to be on there, or I don't want people to find my information. So these things obviously you have to keep in mind and they're scary, but काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हल्की हल्की आपका mindset काफ़ी सारी चीज़ों की तरफ बदल जाता है. जैसे your work life is very different from most of your friends, which is a fact. Then also when you meet new people, you're always apprehensive कि इनका intention क्या है. I hate to say this, but ये तुम्हारे back of the mind कभी ना कभी thought आता है. So that becomes a little difficult for you to sometimes meet new people. In the case of traveling, maybe not so much because मैं उतनी भी famous नहीं हूँ, I would say. But तो हाँ, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें बदल जाती हैं, especially with regards to your privacy. And you don't want your information to be in the public domain. As much as I love my audience, I would still not want any harm to befall on my family or people who are close to me. So yeah, I think those are some small considerations that you have to keep in mind.
मैं तो सारी गलतियाँ करी हैं. मैं अपने किसी पैकेज की वीडियो में एड्रेस या नंबर लिखा हुआ है. I've done that. So before getting that decent amount of views, I also used to teach photography to kids. तो मेरा नंबर Google पे था. तो one day one of my videos went viral with another creator who's pretty big today. I can mention it. Technical Guruji के साथ वीडियो करी थी. तो after that people watched that video and within 2-3 hours somehow उनको लगा कि अंगद से बात करके अंगद भी नंबर दे देगा and उनसे भी बात हो जाएगी. So like an idiot, my number was all over Google and I was in Goa and I was getting calls including at 3 a.m. where people are like, I've reached a point where I'll kill myself because I'm so disappointed if you don't give me their number. उस दिन के बाद so this is the reason where when you said you have to be very careful who you're sharing your information with because they watch your content probably every day or multiple times. They have this connect with you. They know you to a certain extent.
Yeah.
But we are seeing them for the first time, talking to them for the first time. वो थोड़ा सा trust का रहता है and रहना चाहिए without sounding like an asshole.
ओहो अंगद, दैट रिमाइंड्स मी, मेरे साथ ऐसे एक बार इंसिडेंट हुआ था. सो आई यूज टू ऑल्सो शेयर माई लोकेशंस लाइव ऑन इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज कि अगर मैं अभी यहाँ पे हूँ तो आई शेयर इट इमीजिएटली दैट ओ दिस इज वेयर आई एम. सो आई वॉज इन गोवा एंड विद माई सिस्टर. So that was also like a brand trip at that point of time, but we were also exploring and all, and only the two of us were there. So I shared my location. I was at some beach and I got a DM. Not only me, but also my sister got a DM that, oh, I'm coming right now. I want to meet you. And we both were so taken aback that, okay, ऐसा भी हो सकता है. So उसने बहुत plead भी किया. It wasn't like a creep or it wasn't something that I knew was going to be a security issue. मुझे ऐसा नहीं वाइब आ रहा था कि कुछ गलत पर्पज से उसे मिलना है, बट दैट पर्सन वॉज रिक्वेस्टिंग दैट आई रियली वॉन्ट टू मीट यू एंड द बोथ ऑफ अस डिड नॉट नो हाउ टू डील विद दैट सिचुएशन कि शुड वी oblige, शुड वी मीट or should we not, because at the end of the day in the back of your head you still want to be 100% sure and safe. तो ये हुआ था and we somehow deflected the situation and did not eventually meet the person. But हाँ, थोड़ा सा डर तो रहता है.
Stories तो I think every creator has. I think the funniest I would call it now. I think I was traveling to Lucknow and for a मतलब non-YouTube project. So I also make like these promo films वगैरह. So we were called in for that. तो हम गए थे लखनऊ and train में I just put up a story कि sorry guys, next few days videos नहीं आ पाएंगी. And I was at that point not advertising a lot of where I am, what I'm doing besides YouTube. Yeah. I just get this one DM. हाँ लखनऊ जा रहे हो, कहाँ से आएगी, कहाँ से वीडियो आएगी. And I'm like, I've not shared about this anywhere. Half an hour in, I decide to message this guy. And like, how do you know? क्या बोल रहे हो? कहते सामने देखो. I just turn and there's like 10 rows आगे there's this dude who just does this. That's it. ऐसे, hi. And like, hi. कहते that's me. That बस ये conversation. We didn't talk in the train. We didn't talk after he got off. That is the only thing I remember about him. But that was a funny story, if I may say so. But how was time?
That was funny, but in some cases it can be scary.
It was scary at that moment कि कैसे पता है इसको? You can't lie कि मैं इधर हूँ उधर हूँ किसी को पता है. Okay, अभी last question and पक्का I'm out of your hair. पर if for 1 week YouTube नहीं करना होता, सब कुछ planned, scheduled पड़ा हुआ है, ठीक है? करना ही नहीं है, choice ही नहीं है, सब automation चल रहा है. What would you do if you had all the time in that world for that 1 week?
That's so hard, but I think I'll probably do things जो मैं बहुत टाइम से टाल रही हूँ, like get on long conversations with my friends, binge watch something, because that is not something that I give myself the luxury of very often. So that, or I'll probably just laze around, or if I have the liberty, अगर pandemic का situation नहीं हो, तो I'll head off somewhere without the purpose of creating content. I may carry my camera, I won't lie. But I'll probably head off somewhere, maybe mountains, beaches, who knows. But it's a very difficult question, I must say. मेरे को शायद बाद में 1 घंटे बाद ख्याल आएगा, अरे I should have said this, अरे I should have said that. So yeah.
तो मतलब I think this question also I want कि people do think कि कभी content के अलावा भी like it's a question that people should think. So think about it, कुछ ऐसे watch something. Also, that are all the questions from my end. Thank you so much for sharing with, I would say, us, because अभी तो मेरे साथ share किया, but so many more people potentially will be watching this and knowing a little more about you. So thank you so much for joining this little show that I hosted, and I would love to maybe eat your brain another time on different things, but thank you.
Thank you so much for having me. It was a pleasure. It was fun talking actually so much.
काफी बात करी है. Now I have to watch this all over again, just letting you know.
Yeah.
The beauty of
editing. I know you'll have to watch this all over again. Wait, I know that plight, okay? Because I edit too, and I have way more footage, okay?
It's not a competition.
It's not a competition, thank God.
But I'd win. I'm a fast editor.
Okay,
thank you so much.
If you want to take the credit.
I'm going to take the credit. Mera show hai.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much once again.
Bye-bye.
We'll catch you again soon.
Alright.
In a different way, content कुछ अलग. But जिसने दूसरी वीडियो नहीं देखी, watch that right now. And this was Tanya, and check out her channel links in the description if you haven't already. Would love the content.
Thank you.
We'll catch you later.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye bye everybody.